Hello everyone, my name is Miss Holland, or you can call me Miss H. I am the anatomy and physiology teacher and IB biology teacher for your student. I'm so happy to have them. This is my first year here at Sam Houston. I love being here. It's been an incredibly crazy but also fun, and we've learned so much about ourselves and each other and how the whole how to school and how to learn during a pandemic. I went to the University of Texas at Arlington here in my hometown of Arlington. I've grown up here, born and raised here. I have a bachelor's of arts in biology, so that was a really fun experience, and I'm glad I get to impart my knowledge with your students. First, second, seventh, eighth, and ninth period, I teach anatomy and physiology, and third period, I teach IB biology. You can contact me by email at jhollan4@aisd.net. I'm available to set up conferences for you to call me during my conference or my time, or if your student or yourself have questions about grades, I can definitely help something with that. I'm also the Science National Honor Society co-sponsor. This is my first year co-sponsoring a club, and I'm super excited about it. I'm really just thrilled to be here as I can help Sam Houston with their vision of learners today, leaders tomorrow, just giving students that power and that education to be the leaders of tomorrow. Canvas is used for my grades and my attendance, so your child should know how to log on and do the attendance form, and then they should also know where things are in Canvas. My Canvas is organized by units, so we are currently in Unit 4-1 as of today on November 2nd, and then as we go forward, we'll move forward in the module list and in the units. Some things about me, let's see, I have 2 snakes and a dog. I live on my own, and I really love archery. I look forward to this year with you.